In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs. If you've ever been working on a document and noticed an extra empty page that just won't go away, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's quick and easy to fix. Usually, that blank page appears because of extra line breaks, spacing, or a page break that was added by accident. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to remove it. Start by scrolling through your document until you find the blank page. Take a second to make sure it's actually at the empty page you want to remove, especially if your document has multiple sections. It helps to clearly see where the blank page begins in relation to the page before it. Once you're on the blank page, click right at the beginning of that page. The goal here is to place your cursor at the very start of the empty space. This lets Google Docs know exactly where you want to begin removing the unwanted content or formatting that's causing the extra page to appear. Now press Backspace if you're using Windows or Delete if you're on a Mac, and keep pressing until the blank page disappears. In many cases, it only takes one or two presses. What you're doing here is removing the extra paragraph marks or spacing that created the empty page in the first place. If the page doesn't disappear immediately, just continue carefully until it does. There's also another easy option if that feels more natural to you. You can click at the very end of the page just before the blank one, then press Delete. This works by pulling the empty page content back up into the previous page area, which often removes the blank page just as quickly. This is the easiest way to remove a blank page in Google Docs, and for most situations, it gets the job done without needing to adjust any advanced settings. If the page is being caused by extra spaces or hidden formatting, this method is usually the fastest fix. And that's all there is to it. Now, you know how to delete a blank page in Google Docs in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching.